Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to add exclusion for Windows Defender in Windows 11. So how to do this, let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, going to your settings of your Windows, go to your privacy and security. After that, go to your Windows security. After doing this step, select a virus and threat protection. Click on manage settings, scroll down and select the add and remove exclusions. Click yes to continue. Click on add exclusion, file or a folder or type or process. So in my cases, select a folder. Select a folder, go back and close it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.